Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by placing the boss metal zone where it shapes your distortion, after any overdrive and before time-based effects. Once done, set your guitar volume to unity and choose a relatively clean amp channel so the pedal defines the tone. Make sure the pedals level, low and high are at 12, 0, 0 as a neutral baseline. That lets you hear changes without surprises. Now engage the pedal and play power chords to confirm signal and basic balance before moving to tone sculpting. Next, dial the dist and the two mid controls to find the metal voice you want. Increase dist until saturation is dense but notes remain distinct. Back off if chugging turns mushy. Then use the frequency sweep mid to locate the sweet spot. Sweep slowly while playing riffs to hear nasal verses, scooped responses, and lock the frequency where guitars cut. Once set, tweak low for tightness and high for bite, so chords have definition and solos sit above the mix. Finish by balancing level so the affected volume matches bypass. This keeps dynamics natural when toggling. Play full band rhythms to hear how the metal zone sits. Make small adjustments to low and high rather than extreme moves. If you hear muddiness, reduce low or back off dist. If harshness appears, lower high or shift the mid-frequency down slightly. If problems persist, check cable quality and amp settings. Often the issue is interaction, not a bad pedal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.